Hello everyone, I'm Ananta Singh Rajput, and today we are going to talk about Chandrayaan 3. Before I start, I want you all to do a favor for me. And the favor is going to be the tap on the subscribe button and the like button. So now let's start. Basically, Chandrayaan 3 is moon landing mission, which is being operated by the ISRO, Indian Space Research Organization. The Chandrayaan 3 will be carried to space by the GSLV Mk3 rocket. The Chandrayaan 3 is set to land at Moon by 5:47 at August 22. It will be launched from Sriharikota launch pad. It's set to land at Solomon-Strategic Polar Orbit, 100 into 100 kilometers, near Manzinianus Gate. Its coordinations are 59367621 degrees to south and 32348126 degrees to the east. The propulsional module will take the lunar module to the Solomon-Strategic Polar Orbit. The weight of the propulsion module is 2145.01 kgs, out of which 1696.39 kgs is propellant for the propellant system. It can generate 738 watts of power very easily. The lunar module of Chandrayaan 3 weighs around 1752 kgs, which is around 280 kgs heavier than the Chandrayaan 2 lunar module. The weight has increased due to the additional security measures applied by Israel after the devastating crash landing of Chandrayaan 2 in 2009. The GSLV Mk3 rocket can take a payload of 4,000 kgs into the space. The propulsion module will carry the lander and rover configuration to 100-kilometer orbit. The propulsion module has spectral polarimetric of habitable points, Earth payload to study the spectral and polarimetric measurements of Earth from lunar orbits. The ISRO has stated that the Vikram lander will use the thermophysics experiments to measure the thermal conductivity and temperature. Instruments for lunar seismic activity for measuring the seismicity around the landing site, Langmuir probe to estimate the plasma density and its variations. A pulsive laser retroreflector array from NASA is accommodated for lunar laser landing studies, so as to avoid any disasters during the moon landing. The rover will use an alpha particle X-ray spectrometer and laser included breakdown spectroscope for debating the elemental compositions in the vicinity of landing sites. The Chandrayaan 3 also consists of an indigenous lander module, propulsion module, and a rover with an objective of developing and demonstrating new technologies required for interplanetary massive. The latter will have capability to soft land at a specified lunar site and to display the rover, which will carry out an chemical analysis of the lunar surface during the course of its mobility. The lander and the rover has scientific payloads to carry out experiments on a lunar surface. The main function of the propulsion module is to carry lunar module from the launch vehicle injection to final lunar 100 km circular polar orbit and separate the lander module from the propulsion module. Apart from this, the propulsion module has one scientific payload as a value addition which will be operated post separation of the lander module. The launcher identified for Vikram lander is 3SLV MK3, which will place the integrated module in an elliptical parking orbit of size 170 into 36,500 km. And there are some mission objectives of Chandrayaan 3 are to demonstrate safe and soft landing for an lunar surface. Number 2, to demonstrate rover rowing on the moon. Number 3, to conduct inside scientific experiments. And to achieve the mission objectives, several advanced technologies are present in landers such as altimeters, lasers, and RF-based altimeters. Number 2, velocimeters, laser developed vacuometers, and lander horizontal velocity cameras. Inertial measurement, laser gyro-based inertial ruffling, and alexatrometer package. Number 4, propulsional system. 800 watts turbo liquid engines, 58 and altitude thrusters, and thermolytic engine control. Number 5, navigations, guidelines, and control. Power descent, trajectory design, and associated software elements. Number 6, horizontal detection and avoidance. Lander horizontal detection and avoidance camera and processing algorithms. Number 6, landing leg mechanism. And that was information on Chandrayaan 3. And I hope that this was enough. So I want you to do me a favor, and I'm repeating that again, that don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Thank you.